Sagar Sir, we would like to welcome our esteemed guests, Mr. Jaskaran Sachdeva and Mr. Anshul Garg, toppers of the Common Aptitude Test, Mr. V.K. Giri, who has recently secured Mr. V.K. Giri, who has recently secured 99.85 percentile in CAT and 99.95 percentile in Quant. Mr. Dr. Manish Bilore, Principal, Cystic. Dr. Dinesh Lachoria, Principal, Cystic E. Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh, Principal, Cystic R. Dr. Kuldeep Ganju, Principal, Cystic. Dr. Swati Saxena, Vice Principal, Cystic. Dr. Ekta Mishra, Vice Principal, Cystic E. Dr. Chetna Acharya, Vice Principal, Cystic R. Heads of the various departments, members of the faculty, all the esteemed educationists of Sagar Group, and my dear friends. We are delighted to have you all here with us on the second and final day of Sagar Sapti.
Let me take you to the days of Mahabharata. Lord Shri Krishna decided to be the Sarthi and has organized this event so as to help aspire to become entrepreneurs or work with multinationals.
As we all know, the corporate world is not static, and it is getting more volatile by each plan of action to be put in place, and this calls for a career planning.
Career goals. This is the reason why we are gathered here.
On this day of Sagar Sapti, the students will get a chance to interact with our experts who are the toppers of the Common Aptitude Test, and they will get a chance to get guidance from them regarding the real and competitive corporate scenario. You will get a chance to interact with them and
Cystic has taken the initiative to arrange this event, especially as a career guidance seminar for all the students present here, irrespective of the institute that they come from.
We feel privileged to have our esteemed guests here with us today. So before moving forward with the program, we would like to welcome them, and for that I would request Mr. Pavan Grover to please present a bouquet to Mr. Jaskaran Sachdeva and welcome him to Cystic. Please put your hands together. Thank you, sir. We are delighted to have you here with us.
Thank you so much, sir. We feel it. Thank you so much. We are honored by your presence, sir.
Of Sagar Group of Institutions, please welcome all our esteemed guests. Please put your hands together for Mr. Pavan Grover.
Mr. Anshul, Mr. Jaskaran Sachdeva, Mr. V.K. Giri,
On behalf of Sagar Group of Institutions, I extend you a warm welcome to our institution. My principal colleagues, faculty members, staff, dear students, welcome to second day of Sagar Sarthi. We had a wonderful events yesterday, which we interacted with many of the other guests, came from corporates and other institutions. So I hope we learned a lot. We had a wonderful discussion with them. To keep that continuing, we would like to have a wonderful engagement or discussions with our guests who are coming from prestigious management institutions of the country, and hopefully they would be able to address queries related to common admission tests and MBA entrance exams in the country. So I would extend a warm welcome to them, to our institution. I hope they would also have a learning experience interacting with students of various engineering colleges of Bhopal, and we would all benefit by sharing of their experiences with us. So welcome to SISTEC. I'm hopeful of having a wonderful discussion with you all. Thank you very much. Faculty members of all three institutes, students of all three institutes, students coming from outside SISTEC, from various parts of Bhopal, from various engineering colleges in Bhopal. A warm welcome and good morning to all of you. It's good to see the number of chairs increasing. It's good to see few people standing, and it's good to see that quite many of you are really interested to listen to the toppers of CAT, and equally interested, equally enthusiastic to participate in the CAT, to write the CAT exam and get through it. It's a short presentation, similar to the case when you visit a hotel, check into the hotel and you have a catalog which says places to see. So, our dear guests, Anshul and Jaskaran, our students, friends coming from various parts of Bhopal, from various engineering colleges, let me give you a glimpse of what SISTEC is. That's our ethics, which is essential part of the philosophy of the Sagar Group, and the mission equally mentions and highlights a lot of it. Our beloved chairman, respected chairman, Shri Sudhir Kumar Chedrawal, who initiated this Sagar Group in the year 1983, started with a building construction company, followed by many more companies, many more areas, and now we proudly say that the Sagar Group is a reputed business house in Bhopal, industrialist house in Bhopal, having a number of educational institutes such as engineering colleges, management colleges, and of course, schools. So that's our first milestone called Sagar Public School in Bhopal, which has now a big name. Personally, I think amongst the top 3 or top 5 schools in Bhopal. These are the various colleges in the name of Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, popularly known as SISTEC, with 2 extensions of E and R at the other campus called Ratipur. We have 2 other colleges, and apart from engineering, we also offer pharmacy and management courses. So 2007 was the year when we started with college education in the form of engineering, pharmacy and management. Followed by 2009, which was the year when we established 2 other colleges called SISTEC E and SISTEC R. So finance, marketing and HR are the MBA specializations which we offer in our management institute, and B.Pharm and M.Pharm offered in the pharmacy institute. Our team, led by our chairman, Mr. Sudhir Kumar Agrawal. I would especially like to mention to Jaskaran and
Anshul, that and also to Mr. Giri, and also to the students coming from different parts of Bhopal, that we also have a hidden treasure when it comes to CAT, cracking CAT, entering into a management course of high repute. So we also have a hidden treasure in SISTEC only, which is our executive director. He cracked CAT, he entered into a management course, completed his management course from IIM Indore, and now we are proud to have such a knowledgeable, such a talented person as executive director. So definitely, whether time permits or not, but personally I would like also to request him to kindly speak to the students aspiring for CAT, so that apart from our invited experts, we can have utilization of our own talent and our own resources. Engineering undergraduate courses offered in different colleges, all 3 colleges, all popular branches, and of course, a reasonably good number of seats. And so is the case with the MTech courses. Training and placement cell, a very, very important part of our institute, similar to other institutes, but with some unique features. For example, I'll show you down the stream. We have quantified how much we need to put as input and how much we need to invest on the students aspiring for campus interviews or campus placements. And training, of course, is an essential part of our training and placement cell, offering some important essentials in terms of preparation for career. This is now become our landmark or a trademark event called Sagar Manthan, which we organize every year. Sagar Manthan, from the name as you would obviously guess, is a brainstorming session for 3 days or for 5 days, offered to the final year students and also to the pre-final year students. And take my words that after Sagar Manthan, students come up with a lot more improved capabilities, qualities and personality. Some of our industrial tie-ups that the placement cell is continuously maintaining, establishing and succeeding towards good placements of the students. Some more companies that have visited our campuses. Achievements, to list a few, for example, Tanmay Gupta is a student who recently received on this 26th of January from the Governor of Madhya Pradesh the Chancellor's Scholarship. RGPV stands for Rajiv Gandhi Pradyaugiki Vishwavidyalaya. I think Anshul is from Manik. Jaskaran is from Manik. You would know RGPV. And another student selected in Army. Abhishek Tomar, now an international name in the field of biodiesels, presented a lot of papers, completed a lot of research work, and still continuing with that. Different workshops and small events which we conduct in the colleges, apart from the regular academic activities. We also excel in sports. You would find a cricket team, a football team, which is a permanent champion when it comes to inter-college competitions in Bhopal. So this is what I was mentioning about, that we have been able to quantify the inputs which we make on the students. For example, the first point, 500 plus hours of training and placement that we invest on the student. We prepare, we plan, and then finally we execute. We put 500 plus hours of training and placement, 20 plus corporate lectures. Our alumni network, as you can see, is also becoming very, very strong. So this number, 400, is continuously increasing. Our faculty members, training and placement members, and of course the students, they are putting their best efforts to improve and enhance and strengthen the alumni network. few clubs to mention: art and club, music club, dance, verbal abilities, writing abilities, listening abilities, which we conduct under these clubs. This again is our proud organization, proud celebration known as Sagar Fiesta, conducted in this campus and in the name of Sagar Shine and Sagar Euphoria, which we conduct in the other campuses. A techno-cultural event wherein my friends from the engineering colleges of Bhopal would know this, that every year they look forward to attend Sagar Fiesta or Sagar Euphoria or Sagar Shine. They participate, they compete in the technical events, they perform in the cultural events and go back with some winning prizes. So this is a collage of pictures from Sagar Fiesta. Sports, technical, cultural workshops. I already mentioned that we carry some technical workshops for the students. That's the link between the management and the Students' Activity Council. So we have some officers of this Students' Activity Council, not nominated but selected through the interviews. They have to apply, then they have to face an interview board, and finally they are selected for various positions in the SAC, including the president and the vice president. Few bodies, few associations that SISTEC has, not only within India but also outside. For example, IEEE. We are also keen towards the CSR